Just inform me as you will be able to see my screen. I'm just sharing my screen. And then we can present. Actually, there is one form which I will fill. I will note down some of your details actually. Are you able to see my screen?
Yeah, I can see your screen.
Okay. So you are planning to join certified investment banking course, right?
Yeah,
Okay. You are from which city, Rupika?
Bangalore.
Okay, Bangalore. Okay. WhatsApp and email ID. So I will take. I have what you have done? BCom, BB or BB or MBA?
I've completed my BCom and I'm currently pursuing MBA through online mode.
Okay, you are pursuing your MBA also. From where you are
Yeah,
doing your online MBA?
Jane.
Acha, Jain University. Okay, Jain College, I know. Okay, fine, got it. So currently you are working?
Oh, yes.
Where you are working?
24/7.
Sorry?
24/7.
24 by 7.
Uh, it's slash. It's not by, it's slash 24 slash
Is it
7.
your BPO, right?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
You are into which process there, Rupika?
I'm into like no non-voice process.
Sorry?
It's a non-voice process.
Okay, non-voice process.
Yeah.
Okay. And what type of work you are doing over there?
Like I'm just supporting the clients for like shopping support and related to queries where customers reach out if they're having issues with their account or with their
Okay.
product or something. And but I was previously working in EVA as a tax analyst for 1 year.
Haha, you have told that earlier you were working at hmm, worked in ENY, right? As text analyst.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Okay, got it. So from how long you are working here in this profile?
24/7. It's been like 3 months.
Okay. From past 3 months you are working, right?
Yeah,
And in ENY, when like how much time you have worked in ENY?
it's like 1.1.
So total you have 1.4 years of experience, right?
Yeah.
Okay. How come then you have changed from ENY to 24 by 7?
Well, I was trying to pursue my MBA through like an offline mode. Then currently, due to like financial situations at home, I started pursuing my MBA through online mode. And I thought currently I couldn't find some finance related jobs when the time I left and or
Okay, okay,
currently
got
now.
it. Hmm.
So
So then, okay, yes, I can understand. So, do you have a basic knowledge about capital market, equity
um,
derivatives?
yeah, quite a little bit.
Little bit, okay. Just a minute. Do you also trade in equity derivatives bonds?
No.
Okay. So, what are your career goals actually now?
Well, I just want to pursue something into finance roles and my career and improve my career growth in it.
Finance roles. Okay, got it. And from where did you heard about HICM?
Well, I was trying to look for investment banking course quite
Hmm.
in Bangalore. I was doing a search on it.
Okay. Did you download the brochure for investment banking course?
Oh yeah, you have shared me. I downloaded it.
You have downloaded. Okay, got it. Yes. Now I have your all details. Actually, we can go for next round. Actually, you can let me know what are your doubts and what are your questions. Accordingly, I will
Mm.
try to answer them in more specific way so that you will get to know the details of the program and then it will help you also to move forward. Yes. Let me know
Yeah,
what you want from this session. What are your doubts? Accordingly, I will help you, Rupika.
like as you know, currently I'm pursuing working in a BPO sector. If I do this course
Hmm.
and if I go for a finance role, how would be my growth in it? Like, would it be considered as a fresher or I be considered as an experienced one?
Okay. Okay. Whether they will consider you as fresher or experience, right?
Yeah.
Hmm. See now, when it comes to finance field, there are various business processes. This is a investment banking, field which you are planning to join. Okay,
Yeah.
that too we have a certified investment banking program with us. Okay, when it comes to investment banking process, there are various business processes that we will try to teach and train you. Okay, so also you can look into the pitch book where I will take you, and you can see actually that there are different type of business processes that we are teaching and training over here. Okay, I will just skip some of the slides to give you a more precise answer for this. This is the pitch book actually, which I will also try to share with you. Okay, so this is we will teach you for 5 to 6 business processes starting from capital market, trade life cycle, and their subdivisions also will teach you. Okay, research, financial modeling, and fund accounting process. And about their sub processes also will try to teach and train you.
Okay.
Okay, so in this course you will get everything actually. Okay, as a part of a training program, at least one investment banking work will pick up, and then we'll try to teach the entire process. See how will be your growth. Your growth will be very good over here because as you will see, we will teach you for 5 to 6 business processes. So growth will be very excellent over here when it comes to the opportunities. When it comes to Bangalore, in Bangalore we have so many openings and so many opportunities because there are many investment banking companies and fund accounting processes. They have capital market, financial modeling. Anyone can absorb you. See whether they will consider you as a fresher or experience. You have told that in ENY you have worked for 1.5, 1.1 year, right?
Yeah.
And in BPO then you have moved, you have worked only for 3 months. So
Yeah.
it is fine. 3 months they can consider your ENY experience. See ENY it is a tax auditing company, right?
Yeah.
Firm actually, which is also into BFSI process only, banking and financial services process, a tax auditing company, which we can tell them they will consider your this profile, no issues. We will also tell you how you can leverage your past experience as such.
Okay.
Okay, leveraging process we will help you, there is no issue. See in BPO process also there are various type of business processes that a associate can work with, that when you will join the course we will sit with you. But I think in your profile we can leverage your entire process, your entire work actually. So when you will leverage your entire past work, there is no question of considering you as a fresher. You can use your past experience. Okay, and also when you will learn about various skill set you are going to showcase in your CV, right? You will not tell that I am
Mhm.
not aware. You will showcase and that will be counted. Is that answer your
Okay.
question?
Yes.
Yes. Yeah, you can ask your next question.
Uh, okay. Like, what would be my salary expectations on this role if I do this particular course? What would be my salary expectations? Which maybe you can give me a like an average or a minimum of it.
Mm-hmm. See, salary expectation for freshers start from 3 lakhs rupees or 3.5 lakhs rupees. For a fresher, I am telling actually, okay? The average package goes in this way only. Now, you are a experienced folk, okay, which I have already told you that you can leverage your past experience because you have worked in ENY, which is more than having a work experience of 1.1 year and 3 years in BPO. So you are experienced work. Whatever is your current package, this is the normal standards, industry norms actually. Okay, at least 30 to 40 percentage hike associates should get. So as you will leverage your experience, you can expect a hike of 30 to 40 percentage on your current package. whatever is your current package actually you are into. Does that answer your question?
Um, well, I just want to give you a brief on it. When I was working in UI, I used to get a package around 3.6, and well, in like 24/7, my package is around 4.3. So, would the package should be
24
considered for
7.
EY
Hmm.
or
No, no, no.
24/7?
Whatever is your current package, 24 by 7 package, whatever you are getting over there, you will get a hike on that package only. Okay, there is no need to worry. See bad to bad scenario, we can think in this way actually. In ENY, your package was 3.7, right?
Yeah,
And now your package is
or 3.
4.3. See now,
Yeah,
if you will see over here, there is not much difference actually. Okay, I think 30 here, 30 is 60,000 rupees difference is there, right? You
yeah,
are getting 60,000 rupees more over here, but you are into a wrong process. You are not into the
yeah,
right process, right? Do you think you
yeah,
are doing a right work now? This is not
mm,
your work actually. You are a BCom associate, okay, and you
yes,
are also doing a MBA. You are a financial associate. Financial associate should not work in BPO sector at all. If you are working in BPO sector into financial process, that is also fine actually. At least you are working in business, financial business processes actually. Okay, so
yeah,
for 60,000 rupees of salary which you're getting, it is also not worth actually. In worst scenario, if you will go, if companies will tell we cannot give you on 4.3, in worst to worst case 3.7 at least they will consider of your last package. Definitely they will consider your last package. Okay, but when you are going into investment banking process, you are into the right process. Okay, you are into the right process. Okay, being into 3.7 also, if we will consider, because we always think on a reserve side, what worse can happen actually. Okay, 3.7 at least 30-40 percentage hike also, if you will count, I think you will be in a better place only. Okay, I hope it is giving you your answers, right?
yeah.
Yeah, yeah. So there is no need to worry for you actually. There is not much difference. If you are thinking you are in 10 lakhs rupees package, you cannot go back to 3.7. I don't think there is too much difference for you to consider over here actually.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. But at least industry norms 30 to 40 percentage hike, which we are sure you can get on 4.3 also. Yes. What
Uh,
is your
I
next?
would get around 4.3 only, but I won't get more on that. Or like, may I know what would be the highest package which would be
The
enrolling for
highest
this?
package depends on the companies. JP Morgan Bank, when they come, they also start from, 5.5, 6.52. They also go till 12 lakhs rupees, 15 lakhs rupees. It depends on company to company, and there are various companies. Some companies are big, some companies are small, some processes are big, some processes are small. Their client requirement, what is their budget? There are so many things which goes into the process and openings which comes to us actually. Okay, Crystal
Mm,
AI, which the opening which we have shared just now, it was just for experience of 1 year of folk. 1 year folk, they are giving a package of 7.5 lakhs rupees actually. Okay, for a 1 year experience only, they are giving so much of high package. So there are so many things which goes into the processes and all actually. Okay, so what is their budget? If it is a MNC, definitely they will give a very good package actually. If it is a service based company, Indian company, definitely they will give less package. So, but I
mm,
don't think you should be focusing on all these things. See the point which I have already told you, that whatever experience you have, you can leverage from that experience only. Okay, so even
yeah,
though
well,
if any of the criteria you will consider over 3.5, 4.3, I don't think there is too much difference for you to think over here actually.
yeah, but the thing is, well, I just wanted to go and like as EY is a big four, something based on competitive like big fours, and like something like JP Morgan or Morgan Stanley, something like that.
See now, Rupika, associate wants everything. Like you are telling, I want, right? You are demanding something from the company, right? See, this world goes in give and take forms actually. What you can give and what you will receive. Companies are ready to give you anything, whatever you want. Even though if you will tell I want 20 lakhs rupees of package, there are companies which is sitting and which can give you that kind of package. But the basic question comes over is that do you have that skill set? Okay, do you have that skill set which you can demand to them? Okay, investment banking financial field is goes where the skill set. It is not a BPO kind of work over here. Okay, here your analytical thinking goes over there in process. I hope
Yeah.
you are getting my point right.
Yeah.
Okay, what processes you have learned and how you are going to complete the task, operational task. Okay, so there are front office, middle office, and back office processes. How comfortable you are there in explaining them the trade life cycle. Okay, there are complex products that we teach over here about derivatives, option, futures. Okay, how you can do a financial modeling for that. So think on those lines also. Okay, you can think anything. Nobody can stop you. But the thing is that do you also have that kind of inputs that the company is looking for? That is also the main question. So many factors goes into the process. So don't expect too much because still you are a baby over here in investment banking field. Try to learn first
Mhm.
whatever we are teaching you, then you think whatever you want to think. This course that we have is 2 months of course. Okay, but associates also take their 3 months of time to learn various processes and they are keep coming for classes over here actually. Okay, so think from that line also. What you can give to the company. This is not something like that you will tell I want to join investment banking companies and companies will tell okay yes you come. Okay, see now if you will see what we are teaching over here for front office, middle office, back office actually. Okay, complex models, complex products. Okay, try to learn first actually and these things comes when the knowledge is there, money will flow. Okay, if you want to earn more, you have to learn more. Think from that perspective also actually. So with that focus in mind, if you will focus, okay, you first you think that what you are learning as a part of the program and how you are going to deliver it to the company. Just 1 minute. Yeah, I am back, Rupika. Okay, so this is it will start from basics to the advanced processes. Are you there with me, Rupika?
Yeah, I'm there.
Yeah. Okay, so you can expect whatever you want, but first you learn actually. Okay, and
Mm.
sometimes it happens that when we think about the end result, we are not into the process actually. This is a process. You be there in the process. Don't think
Mm.
for the end result. End result in capital market is always good actually. Capital market and investment banking domain will always pay you back. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, it will always pay you back. Financial field actually, basically finance field, investment banking field, capital market, fund accounting, equity such, it will always pay you back. Whatever time you will spend, it will be worth of. But if you will think about the end result, okay, you are not in the process then actually, and your process will get spoiled actually. Just follow the
Mm.
process, end result will be good only. Yes. So this is what we are teaching you: front office, middle office, back office. You can join stockbroking companies, investment banking companies, or banking with stockbroking businesses. Here we are teaching you various tasks: initiation, execution, and capture, enrichment, validation, and verification process. Then we will go into the settlement, confirmation, and transaction reporting process. So various units also will try to teach and train you. At least one investment banking world will pick up and will teach their entire SOPs. So there are JP Morgan, Morgan Stanley, Northern Trust actually, Goldman Sachs. At least one investment banking work, company will pick up, will try to teach their entire process. SOPs also will share with you. So in this
Okay.
process, you will get the hands-on plus practical training also. Okay. along with 100 hours of project based internship from second month onwards. So total
Okay.
162 hours of training that we are giving you over here. Yes, but yes, what are your doubts now? What is your next doubt, Rupika? I hope this
Yeah.
is clear, right? This is
So
clear.
this courses would be like only for 2 months, not like exchange it or something.
This is the 2 months of course. I hope that you have downloaded the browser and you have gone through the process
Yeah.
actually.
Yeah.
Okay, see now
Yeah,
I
I've
will
gone.
also tell you from Monday to Friday you will complete the assignments because we will prepare you for the mock interviews.
Okay.
So we are aware what type of questions companies can ask. So we will give you some practical assignments Monday to Friday. You are going to come in the center only on Saturday or Sunday. Weekly
Okay.
once only you will come for the classes. Okay, for 3 to 4 hours of classes we will take.
Okay.
Okay, so 62 hours we will cover in the first month only. In the first month, okay. From second month we will start your online project based internship in which again you will get some process wise training via getting some task assignments which you can complete in your own free course of time.
Okay.
So we are giving you everything as a part of the course and as a part of the process actually. Okay,
Okay.
having
Got
said
it.
that 2 months of course it doesn't mean that you have a time limit or you are forced to complete in 2 months of time, because 90% of associates are completing in 3 months of time because they will take some time consumption. When they will learn about a topic actually they have to consume various topics which can take time actually, which we can understand. Okay, so
Okay.
people extend to 2 to 3 months of time, but from our side we will always be on time. We will complete in 2.5 months of time only, entire syllabus and
Okay.
entire topics that we have mentioned as a in a part of the syllabus actually, browsers actually, which you have already downloaded.
Okay. Okay, then that's clear.
Yeah, what are your next doubt?
So the placement would start immediately after I complete the course.
After you will complete, it is there. See, I will not tell you it is a agile patient process that we have with us. Okay, first try to understand the process and then you step into the course. Okay, here we give 100 percentage placement assistance over here.
Okay.
Okay, so as a part of the program we'll prepare you for the mock interviews, preparing your resume, preparing your cover note. Okay, at least one investment banking work will teach and train you. Investment banking company will pick up, will teach the entire process, will teach the entire internal process. Operational training will give you. SFs also will share with you. 100 hours of project based internship that will give you. Okay, online, which you will also get the certification when you will complete. See here, we have a weekly placement drives over here.
Okay.
Okay, unlimited times you can apply for the openings. We will not stop you because companies are keep coming to us. Unlimited times, even though if you are getting placed also, again if you want to apply you can reapply. Okay,
Okay.
Monday and Tuesday we have a placement drives over here. Okay, so your CV should get shortlisted so that you will go into, because there are various layers of rounds actually, and you only have to clear the interview rounds. We can only guide you, we can only train you over here. Okay, please mark
Okay.
my word, your CV should get shortlisted. See,
Okay.
shortlisting of the CV will be done by the HR. HICM is not in between. HICM can tell
Okay.
that you review the CV. Shortlisting is the choice of the HR. If they will do or they will not do, we cannot comment on that also. This is a very transparent process which I am telling you.
Okay.
Okay, so once CV is getting shortlisted, then you have to clear all the rounds, for your last round, and then the company will issue you the offer letter. HICM is not in between. HICM is there. Companies are coming to the HICM. They will share the openings. HICM will take all the openings from the HR. HICM will share with the students actually. Okay, but as the business HR is approaching to the HICM HR, yes, the chances of getting selection is very very high over here actually. Okay, with this note, we don't give any kind of guarantees. I hope you are aware what I am talking you about you.
Yeah.
Okay, we don't give any guarantee for your placements. because placement is a transparent process. Okay, no institute can claim over here. We cannot claim over here. Okay, about anything over there. But yes, the companies are coming, which we are keep sharing. Okay, and all companies are participating. All companies, and we are also aware what is their requirement. Accordingly, we are preparing to our associates.
Okay.
I hope it is clear to you. See, we are a very
Yeah.
transparent institute. We don't give any false commitments so that associate will join the course. We never do it over here. It is the wish of the associate whether they want to join the course or they do not want to join the course. It is only their choice.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. So now it's clear. Thank you for clearing my doubts.
Yeah. Any other doubt that you have?
I know I'm good to go. And could you please let me know when would the earliest batch be starting?
See, we have already started a new batch. Okay, last week and this week also we are starting a new batch.
Okay.
Saturday and
Um.
Sunday, tomorrow and day after tomorrow also we are starting a new batch. And next week also we are starting a new batch.
Then I will just know my availability next week, and I will just go to the pay for the course then.
But you have to enroll, you have to pay the fees. There is a onboarding process. Onboarding process should be done. So that if you
Okay.
want, I can share the process with you.
Okay. Sure.
Okay, you can just follow the process. Get yourself enrolled. Where should I ping you? On your new number or on your old number?
You can ping me on my old number itself in WhatsApp, but to call you can call me in another number.
Okay, fine. Okay. ठीक है Rupika. I will share with you how to enroll for the course. So if in case you are interested, you can proceed. Then we will take you in our batch. Okay. ठीक है Rupika. All the
Okay.
best. Thank you so much.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.